Hello, this is Jef Welch, CEO of Atteva International. I want to talk to you about these amazing products we have here. I'm about to mix up this Atteva Go, and I love this Atteva Go because it gives me a good feeling, a good energy, a good overall feeling that no one else has been able to produce. And guess what? It's all natural. I'm going to show you the easy way to mix it up. So this is just water. I like spring water. And basically I just rip the top off, and then I just put the contents of the powder into this water bottle. Shake it up. That's as simple as it is. And look at that beautiful color. Tastes great. I'm getting all of my vitamins, minerals, vitacholine, get a little bit of caffeine from the green tea extract, which is very high in antioxidant levels, and also the coffee berry. We also have curacao. Curacao is a very high level antioxidant as well, with curcumin in it. The drink of Atteva Go has curcumin in it as well. Very good immune boost system. You don't want to miss out on getting your Atteva products. This is our hemp extract, our 1200 milligram, full spectrum, organic, all the way. If you're interested in the Atteva business and you want to be part of our mission of the no harmful ingredients story, where we make everyone aware, our mission is to bring forth that message, that natural message. Atteva means at nature. You can be part of this as well. Be part of the Atteva mission. Be part of the story, of the no harmful ingredients story as we take it all over the world. Again, this is Jef Welch, the CEO. I invite you to become part of the Atteva family. By the way, I've lost over 50 pounds in less than 4 months, and I've done it with the Atteva products.